Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I build a lady's automatic date watch. I'm using a NH36 movement. This has both the date and the day wheel. And I am using this simple white dial having Roman numerals. Let's start by removing the dial feet that are not required. Use a flush cutter and file to smoothen the cut. Gently place the dial on the movement. Align the dial feet to the slot in the movement and press to fit firmly. Adjust the time to midnight to start attaching the hands. Turn the stem till the date just ticks over. First, attach the hour hand. Check the hand movement. Now, attach the minutes hand. Check the hand movement again. We need to ensure the hands move freely. The last hand to attach is the seconds hand. It works! Check again to ensure all three hands move without any interference. The date changes at exactly 12. I'm using this all silver 33mm case with a Jubilee bracelet. Remove the bracelet, the crown, and the case back. Ensure to keep the rubber seal safely. Remove the dummy stem from the movement. Carefully place the case front on top of the movement. Attach the crown to a new stem and insert it into the movement. Measure the length of the stem that needs to be cut. Remove the stem and unscrew the crown. Carefully cut the measured length. It is always better to cut the stem to a longer length and use a file to precisely shorten it. Attach the crown and insert it back into the movement. Place the rubber seal and close the case back. Attach the bracelet and we are done. I am very happy how this build turned out. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.